Is there something that you need of me? I hope I don't miss out on dispatching any enemies. How can I be of assistance? Lead the way, Sarah. How can I aid you? Of course, Sarah. You and I share a strong bond of friendship and companionship. My order believes that Vivek was aware of the impending threat of the Neranith. His profound understanding of the heart of Lorcan allowed him to take precautions to safeguard the Tribunal's continuity. He was able to create a metaphysical tether, linking the divine essence and powers of the Tribunal to a separate ethereal plane. This enchantment acted as a failsafe, allowing their power to endure, even if they were defeated. Only their mortal shells on Mundis were destroyed. Very good, then. I can handle that. Not a problem at all. Faith strong, blades stronger.
What is it now? It's very nice to find someone who appreciates the sheer brilliance of magical research. It's essential to being a master wizard. I see. Trying to torture me, then. Go on ahead. I'll manage somehow. Finally. I suppose I should be glad you didn't forget about me. Bothering me for a reason? Well, there's at least a small chance you'll have something to pique my interest. Just lead the way and I'll follow.
This armour is very sturdy, comfortable and well-fitting. It will serve me well. You'll be dead in seconds.
To use.
Hey! Victory is ours. Of course, Sarah. Of course, I'd be glad to. Almalexia represents love, mercy, and compassion. She is a symbol of the natural world and fire as a symbol of rebirth. Using this devotion will grant me and my allies extra health, allow me to be better equipped to handle undead foes, and to often strike with fire. Accessing greater devotion will allow regeneration of health during battle, ward me from magical and physical damage, and strengthen my resolve. Okay, got it. Of course. Certainly. I'm right behind you.
Time for another charming conversation? I suppose. I suppose I could. When assuming more of a support position, I can use abilities that might better serve the group. I can summon an ash spawn to help us fight. Nearby allies have their magicka and health healed over time, and I receive more benefit from healing. Right then. If that's what you want. Uh-huh. Let's not waste any time. Just so that we have an understanding, I'm only here for the gold and the occasional anecdote.
That's close enough.
Stand
Never
back.
should have come.
Ready your weapons.
Master
We face
work.
danger. That's all you've got.
Give up while you still can.
I'll show you what a real orc can do.
Done with that bit of rubbish.
Once again, combat beckons.
Is someone there?
Pathetic.
No more.
And you thought I was just a pretty face. Nary a scratch.
It's so much easier to love when you're dead. Nearly open.
Come on, show me what you've got.